Hey, handsome. My husband told me not to take the whole bag because you know I will. Look how much, look how the bag filled up. I just opened them. Just got back from the grocery store. I'm doing a little haul for you guys. Went to Trader Joe's. Got some okra, plantains, sweet chili sauce, avocado oil, teriyaki, roasted garlic marinara sauce, Japanese multi-purpose seasoning, and some more plantains. We got some kimbap, we got some mochi, then I got this vegetable frozen meal for lunch, and got this here. Got some limeade, pineapple juice. Get into some healthy stuff. Got some spinach, iceberg lettuce, this holiday vegetable hash. It has butternut squash, sweet potato, red onion, celery, parsley, sage, and rosemary. Mushroom elixir root beer flavor. And some squash. And just the one time jalapeno. These are really, really good. Dates, mushrooms. Got some eggs, zucchini, non-fat Greek yogurt, and we got 2 of the green goddess dressings. And my husband really like this. Got some seaweed. And some more seaweed chips. Seaweed chips. Can't wait to try these. We got some banana bread with walnut, salmon, and I like the way the lady packed our meat. She put it in a separate bag, so I like it. Sausage, roasted garlic, and I also got the chicken sausage with apple. Green beans, ground turkey, and chicken.
Gonna make some homemade hibachi vegetable, organic squash, some organic zucchini, some organic mushrooms. I'm gonna cut them up. Then I saute it. Making some rice.
We get ready to leave out. Go to run some errands again. And for breakfast, I'm having this leftover hibachi. It's not much. It's like a couple of spoonfuls. But it's enough so I can take my high blood pressure medicine. My husband got this. What's this though? Alive ancient mushroom elixir root beers for energy, clarity, and mood. Me, on the other hand, bottled water, and I got some limeade, and I'm gonna take me some okra chips with me. That way I won't be tempted to want to give me something to eat from mom. Okra chips. I don't take the whole bag. That's a good idea. My husband told me not to take the whole bag because you know I will. Look how much, look how the bag filled up. I just opened them. So half of an hour. Put me some in the Ziploc bag. Okay, so I got this one now. Like them. Baby, give me your drink. You wearing a coat? I got on shorts. Hey, handsome. So far we're getting what?
Oh, foundation.
Foundation.
I'm not into my hair. I'm taking this out. I can't wait.
Well, I can take out some of the little curl part.
I'm taking all of it out next week. Because next week I'm off of work
Does
for
it
2
hurt
days.
when I pull it out?
No, I'm ready to take it out. I still want to wear that. I still want to wear that black dress. I'll just pull it down. I bought 2 dresses, y'all. One is long and then one is short. So it's gonna be one. But I like that one. It's cute. Because like the other one is just like spaghetti sauce. What kind of rice is that? I'll do the cilantro lime, yeah. Yeah, can I get black beans? Yeah.
Milk,